to Magic London. This is the Six of Hearts. I'm sorry for what I'm about to do to you. You are a very good card, but you're gonna have a bad day. So I'm sorry. Now, you ever make a mistake like this and want to undo it? Well, I'm going to show you. This is the magic time box. Now, anything that was broken inside here can be restored to back how it was. So, all we have to do is open this box. It's empty. We have to place the broken pieces in, just like that. And then we have to close it up and give it some time. Okay, now it's closed. Let's restore the time now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, give it some rest. Now, if we take a look inside, the Six of Hearts, it's restored back to its original form. That's crazy. And if we look inside the box, again, it's completely empty.
You can buy this trick now at www.magiclondon.uk or other online platforms. Thank you.